MingaCon was amazing.
Today was amazing, being able to collaborate with not only Minga, but the other schools that are using Minga. My reporting is going to be totally different tomorrow. I even changed that at lunch, just talking to Cody. I loved the way they have an actual physical store and not just something out in the ether.
One of the greatest things that I love about it as an administrator is our flex classes that bring an opportunity for students to explore many different teachers, but also many different areas of learning, and it's easy for teachers to work and it cuts back on their time, but it also brings that safety, secure net that we need to ensure we know where all students are at all times.
I attended a lot of the webinars this summer, and seeing some of the presenters from the webinars actually here in person was really cool. Super excited about the points. I'm at the middle school level, so the positive behavior aspect of it.
MingaCon was awesome. It gave me so many new ideas of how I can implement Minga with my students and get them more engaged with the class and school. I am going to implement the praises way more intensely.
So even though I use flex time in Minga every single day, it was great to hear other ideas and other ways to approach things. So I just talked to another teacher that works here and how we can utilize some of the positive reinforcements with our flex time.
Really became a learning opportunity for us as the administrators here at Mustang. And then the student roundtable was probably the most valuable thing. And hearing their feedback and the positive changes from where we started this journey 2 years ago has been awesome.
We were talking about like reducing teacher burnout and combining like where lunch detention forms and after school detentions. Instead of having 7 different forms, just being able to go to Minga to assign what you need to.
We definitely learned stuff throughout the process and through the collaborations, and just really appreciate the Minga team being here. And if anyone that hears this message or has the opportunity to host a MingaCon, I think it could benefit you and your campus.